50 plus 5 gives us 55. Then divide 5. Now here 5 minus 3 gives us 2. Then 5 times 2 gives us 10. And finally 55 divided by 10 gives us here 55 over 10. Now by table 5, 2, 1, 1. It means 11 by 2. Also we can write here 5.5. But this answer absolutely wrong, because according to order of operations, which is called, now here you can write here the rule which is called PEMDAS. In PEMDAS rule, P stand for parenthesis, E stand for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtractions. In PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have equal priority. It means always work from left to right. Same rule applies addition and subtractions, work from left to right. In this expression, one is addition, division, here is multiplication, then parenthesis, inside the parenthesis subtraction. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we do parenthesis, then exponent, multiplication, division, then addition and subtraction. So here first we do parenthesis. Now so first we do parenthesis. We can write 50 plus 5 divide 5. Now times 5 minus 3 gives us 2. Now in this expression, division and multiplications. So first we do division, because division and multiplication always work from left to right. So 50 plus, here 5 cancels to each other, is 1 times 2. Now multiplication do 50 plus 1 times 2 gives us 2, and finally 50 plus 2 gives us 52. This is the right answer.